Hi, my name's Laura Batante. This is my 2 Bits, and today I have this fun spider craft for you. He's perfect for Halloween. All right, so for materials for this project, first off, you're going to want the template, which is available right there in the video notes. You do not need to cut out 6. This is me trying to save paper. You only need 1. But if you're going to work with a group, then you have 6 on a sheet, so that just means less photocopying. And you need a piece of corrugated cardboard. You're going to cut your shape this way, and that is so that we can use the holes here on the side of the corrugated cardboard to attach our legs. So they will just literally slide right into the sides, which is lovely. Also, you'll want some googly eyes, black shred. This is paper shred. I recommend that. That's from the craft store. Usually the dollar stores tend to be carrying sort of a plastic shred these days. I don't know whether that will work as well. You're going to need 4 black pipe cleaners and some scissors. Glue. I'm using Aleene's original tacky glue, but you could use white glue, and you probably could even use a glue stick, but you would need to put a fair amount on. And so just before we jump into how to make this, I want to take a quick second and ask you to please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. Thanks for that. Okay, so to make this guy, if you want, you can just cut a piece like this. If you want, you can paint it, or you could probably hit this with a Sharpie, and that would work as well. Or you can leave it like this if you like, but it is hard to get perfect coverage with the shred, so I recommend definitely having some black down as a base. All right, so once you have it cut out, you're going to take your 4 legs, and we're going to cut those in the middle. Please do not use good scissors for this. And once we have that, we're going to put 4 on either side. Now, you can put your legs where you like. I like to keep mine sort of towards the center. And it really doesn't matter. They stay in, so you don't even have to glue them. That part's lovely. If you want to, you could add a little glue. So you can see how easy this is. This might be my fastest craft ever. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it like that for now. And I'm going to move you aside, and we are going to put some glue on. And I'm going to put a fair amount, not crazy, not like, you know, pouring off the sides amount, but because I have this Aleene's glue, you don't need as much because it's so nice and tacky, and it really, everything sticks to it so nice. So if you have an opportunity, I would recommend that. I love shred. It's so fun. You just kind of squish it down a bit and then apply it. Now, you could, if you wanted to, put it on the bottom as well. I did not. I don't really think it needs it. And also, if you don't, then for sure you can bend the legs and get this guy standing up off the ground, no problem. I think if you put too much of this on, his belly would be rubbing on the bottom. And don't worry, you've got some pieces sort of hanging all over the place. You can give him a little haircut when you're done. Okay, go in with the eyes. Push them in. Got that one little guy hanging right there in his face. So maybe trim him. There we go. And now, just at the halfway point on your legs, just sort of give him a bend. And it doesn't have to be even, don't worry about it. Then in order to give him off the ground, you just push this down a bit and just play around with them a bit. I like it when they don't all sort of come out the same amount, because if you've noticed when you're looking at spiders, sometimes they've got legs sticking out farther than others. So there you can see he's getting some lift off the ground, and that's just a matter of, you know, playing around with it until you get them where you like them. All right, that's basically the whole thing right there. So it's super easy to make, and he looks really good. So I hope you have fun with this craft. If you enjoyed this craft, then please do remember to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for joining me today.